The fatigue was the first thing that went away. Then I started losing weight. Probably within like the first 8 weeks, I had already lost 12 pounds. I was sleeping better. My mood was better. I wasn't having aches and pains when I was trying to go to sleep at night if I'd done a lot of walking. It improved my libido, which of course made my husband extremely happy. My hair, Lord, you'd have thought I'd have needed a wig. The way my hair would fall out, and that's gotten better. So Biote is a bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So what they do is they compound the hormones that are exactly like the ones that we make into a little pellet. So your body just absorbs them and knows exactly what to do with it, because it's just like what it's used to have made in your younger years when you had probably more than you needed then, and then you get to our age and you don't have enough anymore. What happens is you make a little incision and you insert the pellet into like the fatty tissue, and so then your body builds blood vessels around it, and so that's what it uses to absorb it slowly over time. So usually for women they last about 4 months, and for men usually about 6 months. I would say anybody who has brain fog, fatigue, joint pain, low libido, any of those things obviously are good reasons to have your labs checked. I mean, just so many different things that it has positively impacted in my life in more ways than I probably could ever explain.